morning, student.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, I want to ask all of you what we learned last week.
How to find the main idea.
Okay, great. So for today, I will proceed to the next part, which is how to identify specific detail. But before I start, I want us to play a game, a simple activity game that help us to understand better what is specific detail after we learn about topic sentence. So as you can see here, Kelly, this is a picture of a family that having picnic. Okay. So for our theme for today is environment. That's why I choose a picture where it's a family that having picnic at the outside, which is our environment. So our learning objective is to understand specific detail in a paragraph. Okay, Kelly. I want you to find this hidden object. You can refer here and search where is the object is hidden. Can you come up and point it out for me? Thank you, Kelly.
Teacher.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the first object you can see here?
I see the bread.
Yes, correct.
I see the
Yeah, the chicken fried leg. Yes, correct.
this ice cream.
Yeah. Next, what else you can see?
I see this chicken.
Yes, correct. Okay, enough of that. I know you understand already. Technically. Okay, so the main idea or the reason why I asked you to search for the hidden object in this image is because the hidden object is representing specific detail. And the bigger image you can see here is the main idea. The main idea is there's a family having picnic, and the specific detail is I asked all of you to find the hidden object. So that is a little bit of brief or introductions or hint that what we're going to learn today. Okay, thank you, Kelly. Next, I will teach all of you how to identify specific detail in a correct way. Okay, Kelly, I will teach you how to identify specific detail. As we learned last week or in our last class, the first important thing in a paragraph is the main idea or the topic sentence. In order to write a paragraph, we have to know what is the main idea. Okay, after we learn how to write topic sentence, so we're going to learn how to identify or write down what is the information that we have to write or do in order to write specific detail. So I'm going to tell you the specific detail that we can write or find in a paragraph is fact, example, and specific information such as date, place, or a venue. Okay. And this is a way that is a method that I will introduce to you, which is a hamburger paragraph. The reason why I want to introduce this method because it is more easier to all of the students, to you especially Kelly. The first one is representing topic sentence. The topic sentence is a opening or of a paragraph. And the letters is the first supporting detail. It can be fact, example, or any specific details. And we have here is the tomato, which is a sentence that will help to support first supporting detail. And following by meat and cheese, which is also the third supporting details. It doesn't matter how many sentences in a paragraph, and it helps to support the topic sentence. So in this method, you have to do the topic sentence first and following by the supporting details. And last but not least, we have the bottom one, which is the concluding sentence. This is also one of the specific detail, but it is conclusions. So the most important part in referring to this method, or what we call hamburger paragraph, is we have to do one by one step from the top one until the bottom one. We have to do it in sequence. Do you understand me, Kelly?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, tell me, what is the top one?
The topic sentence.
Okay, after the topic sentence, we have to write down.
The first supporting detail.
Okay, first supporting details, and then we follow by the second and third supporting detail, and it doesn't matter how many sentences that you want to write down in a paragraph. So this method is only to help us to write a paragraph in more easier way to help to guide all of you. So you can refer to this method. Okay, Kelly? Okay, Kelly, this is the example of a paragraph that I will show you. So the topic sentence that you can see here is taking care of the environment is important for everyone. That is the main idea. We're going to tell the audience what is the main idea in a paragraph. So this is the opening sentence. Then the topic sentence is the top one. Okay. The first specific details is the letters. We try to learn how to refer to the hamburger paragraph. The first specific detail representing letters. One way we can help is by reducing our use of plastic. This is the supporting sentence that helps us to tell to the audience why is taking care of the environment is important. Okay. Next, we have the second specific detail, which is representing the tomato, which is this. Okay. The main idea is taking care of the environment is important. Why? By what? How? We can also save energy by turning off light when we're not using them and using public transportation. This is a sentence that support the main idea that tell the audience how to taking care of the environment. Do you understand, Kelly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Last but not least is the last specific detail to support the topic sentence. Planting trees is another way to help the environment because they provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This is the other way to taking care of the environment. And the taking care of the environment is our topic sentence. So, in order to support the topic sentence, we need 2 or 3 specific details in a paragraph in order to show the example or the evidence. So the hamburger paragraph is just a method that helps us to lead and guide us throughout the writing down the paragraph process. You can understand me, Kelly?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we will proceed to the activities group. In these activities, I want you to identify the specific details in the paragraph. Now, did you see the paragraph that in the front?
Yes.
This is the paragraph that I want you to find the specific details. Then, did you see the 6 pieces of paper in my hand? Which is this, I have to write for you the answer from the paragraph. After that, each group, I want you to put the answer on the front like this. Then, after you all groups already put the answer, we will discuss the answer, is it true or false? And I will ask you, how did you find the specific details? Okay?
Okay.
Understand? Okay, now I will tell you how the group activities. There have a 6 group, which is 1 group have 2 people. Okay?
Okay.
Now, beside that, I also will give you the main idea that I write in the whiteboard. Then I will give you a clue and the answer to you find to identify the specific details in the paragraph. Okay? I will give you 10 minutes to identify the specific details. I want you to follow and look at the main idea. This is the main idea. I want you to read carefully and follow the main idea. Okay? Do you understand?
Understand.
The importance of collective action to protect environment and promote sustainability. Okay, before that, I want to tell you this is the topic is about environment, which is the importance of collective action to protect environment and promote sustainability. You understand?
Understand.
Okay, so I want you to identify. I want you follow the main idea. To easy for you is find the specific details. Don't forget the important. This is too easy for you to find the specific details. Okay, thank you. Okay, now already all group already put the answer. Now we will proceed to discuss together the answer. Okay, now which group put this answer?
Me, teacher.
Okay. After I look all the answer, there have two answer that you put wrong, which is on the paragraph. That you put the wrong answer. Now I will tell you which one the answer that you put wrong. Okay, do you see the first is correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, good. The next one, the important things. Yes. Yes. The next is hope is found renewable. True or not?
True.
Okay, good. Next, this is the cars and factories. Is it true or not? Not alright, because this show for example and the factors. Okay? Next is the pollution from the visuals. True or not?
True.
Okay. For the last one is the urban landscape with the skyscraper. Also true. So they have two answers that you put wrong. But actually this was not the answer. Actually they have a four answer only from the paragraph. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So do you understand?
Understand.
Have anyone have a question?
No.
Okay. That's all.
Okay, Kelly, so you can see here, this is a topic sentence which is water conservation is super important. I want to test your knowledge or whether you understand or not for a topic that I already taught you just now. So for that, I want you to, okay, this is an ice cream paper. Okay. And this is our topic sentence. So I want you to write down the specific detail in the ice cream.
Okay.
This is the first, second, third, and going on. You have to think of what is the specific detail regarding to this topic sentence. And I will give you 15 minutes to do that. Do you understand me, Kelly?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our ice cream. Okay. Whether you answer within 15 minutes. And remember, Kelly, our the specific detail is to support the topic sentence. Do you have any question, Kelly? Okay, tell me when you are done.
Okay, I'm not ready.
Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, can you read down the first supporting detail that you can think of?
Okay. The first supporting details is make sure we have enough water for farming and cleaning.
Okay, that's correct. Next, what else?
Second, deal with drought.
Okay. Okay, next.
Save energy.
Yes, correct. Save energy also is the reason why water conservation is important. Okay. What else the answer you got?
Protect the nature.
Okay, also correct. Acceptable.
Okay.
You have another answer, Kelly?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
The last one is have a safe water for the nature.
Okay, correct. True. Okay, give yourself a round of applause. Okay, since you are doing very well, I want to give you 2 pens for study. I hope that you can use this for your benefit and study hard.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, well done, Kelly. You're doing a really good job. And do you understand what I have taught you today?
Yes.
Okay, if you have any question, just ask me later after class, and I will guide you to understand later. Thank you, Kelly. You're doing very good job in your exercise. You can keep the ice cream.
Yes.
Okay, Kelly, we are already at the end of our class today. So I want to tell you once again, we can use this type of method to do a paragraph. So tell me, what is the topic one again?
The topic sentence.
Okay, after we identify the topic sentence, we have to write down,
The first supporting detail.
yes, the first supporting detail or the specific detail. Then following by
The second supporting detail.
and
Third supporting detail.
after we write down the third supporting detail, we have to,
Concluding sentence.
yes, this is a method that help you, and I hope that you can use this way to write down a paragraph that can help to guide all of you. Okay? So thank you, Kelly.